Today, in this video, I will show you 5 tricks that maybe you don't know in Adobe Premiere Pro. And obviously, very easy, very easy. The famous markers on the timeline. Has it ever happened to you that you put markers on the timeline, either as reminders or with notes on what to do in specific moments in your videos? But when you start cutting or arranging your videos, the markers get out of order. And that is a problem because in the end, all the notes you made, all the details you put in are no longer useful to you. But there is a solution. Go up to the menu that says Markers and select Ripple Sequence Markers and click on it. Now it is selected, so that's it. Now every time you cut a video, the markers will run with the cut. So the problem is solved. What happens if you have 2 clips and you want to move them? Interchange the positions. Normally you will put one clip up and then adjust the other and then lower the other and that's it. Well, in fact, we can make it easier. You will pull the video where you want to put it, but pressing Ctrl without releasing. And when you get into the place, then you release the Ctrl button. And that's it. The clip exchange places. Very easy. Sometimes Premiere gets weird, crashes, or runs slow. Possibly you forgot to clear the cache memory. Well, there is a way to have Premiere do it for you automatically every week. I edit a lot, so weekly is perfect for me. We come here to Edit, then down in Preferences, and then Media Cache. Here you can choose to have Premiere automatically clear the cache after certain days or after reaching the limit. My limit is 10 gigabytes. And that's it. Let's talk about the metadata of our files. I don't know how many times I have mentioned that you have to be organized as editors and also to look for the simplest ways to do things since this speeds up our editing process. Well, here in the project window we have our files and we can see all the metadata about them. But really, how much do we need to see? Here in the project menu, we click the hamburger and select metadata display. Then here we can see everything we have. Just uncheck what you don't need. And that's it. Tidier and prettier. Let's talk about the sync lock. It's this little button that we have here, but what is it for? Here we have a video that we want to put on our timeline, exactly here. We select the part that we want to put, and in fact, to save time, instead of pulling the video to the timeline, we just click on this other little button here that says Insert. That's it, but look what happened. Our music was cut off and everything was ruined for us. Okay, let's do everything again. We already have the video selected and we want to put it here. On the music line, we're going to press this little button that is the Toggle Sync Lock. Now we can see that it is locked. Now we click Insert and we see that everything moved to the side except the music, so we got it. You see, super easy. 5 tricks that I hope will help you to be a better editor. And now, until next week.